Are you tired of laundry that never seems to end? Ready for a washer that actually fits your budget without sacrificing performance? The Insignia 3.7Q F-Towel High Efficiency Top Loading Washer is here to transform your laundry routine with 12 customizable wash cycles and 4 temperature levels that handle everything from delicates to heavy-duty loads. This space-saving powerhouse combines a compact 25-inch width with generous 3.7 cubic feet capacity, perfect for apartments and smaller laundry rooms without compromising on cleaning power. The automatic water level control intelligently adjusts water usage to match your load size, helping you save on utility bills, while the high-efficiency design ensures your clothes come out spotlessly clean every time. With separate dispensers for detergent, fabric softener, and bleach, plus convenient status lights that show your cycle progress, doing laundry has never been easier. The quiet operation at just 63 decibels means you won't disturb your household, while the auto-unbalancing detection keeps everything running smoothly. Ready to upgrade your laundry game without breaking the bank? Check out the product link in the description and comments to make laundry day your favorite day.